Formal neng inumpisa ng City Government ng San Fernando ing pamanalakad king Smart Greenhouse Facility king Maimpis Integrated High School inyang milaw sa Paruminggo bilang parti ning pamagpasiknang ning syudad king inobasyon at sustainable development king edukasyon at agrikultura. Gawa yung proyekto king pamagisanmetong ning City Government kapamilatan ning City Information and Communications Technology Office at City Agriculture and Veterinary Office kayabe ing Department of Science and Technology o DOST Region 3 at Department of Education City of San Fernando Schools Division. Pwede muna ng Mayor Vilma Caluwag ang groundbreaking ceremony kayabe dina DOST Region 3 Dr. Julius Cesar Sicat, DepEd CSFP Schools Division Superintendent Dr. Shirley Z. Pagan, Maimpis Barangay Captain Susan Serrano at MIHS School Head Mary Jane Urquico. Kayabe naniti formal niya namang inabot ng DOST ing 2.3 milyong pesos grant para king pamanalakad ng Smart Greenhouse Facility at metong pangkaparehong pasilidad ay talakad king Pampanga High School. Asahan niyang magsilbing learning at innovation hubing pasilidad para karing magaral at manyulong king makabayang teknolohiya karas king pang-agrikultura at susuporta king food security at sustainable urban development. Agpangkang kaluwag, patunay ang proyekto ng Balaw sa kapagnasaning syudad na maging meto nga smart at sustainable city kapamilataning teknolohiya, edukasyon at agrikultura bang isadyala rin kayanakan at komunidad king climate resilient. At syula lamang king aktibidad dina Acting City Administrator, City Legal Officer Attorney Cristanico Abad, City ICT Officer Attorney James Francis Villanueva at aliwa pang opisyal ng LGU kabilang City Agriculturist Gian Mark Jacinto, manyulong king smart agriculture kareng kayanakan. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga, balitang tutuking balen, susuyo.